Welcome back to my new video. I was asked in the comment section, Father Joe, please explain the difference between this type of blade and this type of blade. So today's video, I will take my time to explain the differences between this one and this one. So with that time wasted, let me jump into the video. Welcome back. It's me, Father Joe. Before I start explaining this one and this one, what are their names? Let me tell you the names of this one and this one. The name for this one right here, check this out. The name for this one right here is called BGA paste. BGA paste. They have different temperatures. They have 1 something, 1 8 something, 1 9 something. So they have different temperatures. While this one is called solder wire lead, right? This is solder wire. So this one is different from this one. This one do different work, this one do different work. They do not do the exactly same work. Let me explain the differences between this one and this one. Take for example, you want to use this one to lead something. This one right here is recommendable for deep pin component. I don't know whether you understand. Let me show you what I mean. Right here, check this out. This is a deep pin component. Let me turn the back so that you can see very well. Check it, check very well. So a deep pin component are components that they have long legs. They have long legs. They have long pins, right? Let me use the term pins. They have long pins. Let me show you what I mean. So this is example of what I mean. This is a transistor. So if you plug the transistor here, the leg will come out in this other side. So for you to lead it, you need this type of lead for this type of work. For this type of lead, it is not recommendable. Listen to me. And let me tell you why it is not recommendable. Not as if you use it, it will not work. It will work, but you will not be able to do the work very fast. So this one is recommendable for this type of work. And listen to me, the cost of this one and this one is not the same. This one is less price and this one is a high price. This one is very costly than this other one. I'll explain later in this video. So this one right here is mainly for a deep pin component. This is mainly for a deep pin soldering. This is mainly for a surface mount component. Let me explain. Right here, this is a phone board. This is a phone motherboard. So all of this component that you're seeing here is a surface mount component. A surface mount component means all of these components are placed on top of this board. None of them is deep and the pin goes out from this other side. All of them is being mounted on top of this board. Let me know if you understand in the comment section. I'll be very happy to see your comment. Let me know if you understand the comment section, please. So this one is used for this type of work. Anytime you want to change capacitor, resistor, boost coil, anything at all, IC, reballing, and a whole lot of components on this board, you need this type of paste for you to be able to work this phone perfectly without any issue, without any damage to the phone board. Take for example, this battery pin here is spoiled, it's not working again, the pin damaged, and you want to put a new one, right? You need a paste, you need a solder paste and a rework station for you to be able to fix it. If you want to use this type of paste, this one right here, you will not be able to perfectly fix this thing because you use this type of lead and this lead is not recommendable for this type of work. These are surface mount components, so you need a surface mount paste, which is the BGA paste, Engineers, let me know if you understand in the comment section. Please let me know. For you to do a perfect work for your customer, you need these two types of lead. And another name for this lead is called what? Liquid lead paste. So if you go to the phone shop, you want to go and buy lead, just tell them that you need a liquid lead paste. Why this one is a solder wire, so you can choose which one you want. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.